LogMeOnce has 5 different ways that you can add an app or a website to your account. So I'm going to show you those 5 ways here. So the first way is to go up to the plus sign when you're logged into LogMeOnce, and you go to Add App. And app is another name for our website, for instance, and you can go ahead and start typing the type of app. For instance, I might start to type Facebook. And it's automatically going to go through the catalog of types of applications and show me the one I want. So if I'm adding a Facebook account, I would then select it. I can then choose which group to put it in. And then it will automatically populate the URL. And then I can type my username and password. This is actually going to show me also if the password I have is weak or not. And if it's weak, I can then use the calculator here, this icon for the password generator, and I can generate a password. And I can choose the parameters that I want, and LogMeOnce will go ahead and create one for me. I can click on the eye then to see this is the one I had, right, which was too weak, obviously. So I can see what they generate for me. So for instance, I can click on the generator, and I can refresh here, and this is creating and generating a very strong password based on these parameters. And then I can save that, and now I can see this has been updated to the stronger password. And I can also add a note if I'd like, for some reason, to save a note to remind myself something about this account, and then hit Add App. And that's going to show me then that my app, my website, has been successfully added to my account. Now the other way I can do that is to go in my LogMeOnce account to the Password Manager. And when I'm in here, I can click on this green Add App button, and that's going to walk me through the same process. Another way you can do this is if you're in your browser and you want to manually add an app, you can actually go to whatever website you'd like to add. So for instance, I might go to Netflix in this case and say I want to add my Netflix account to my LogMeOnce Password Manager. So I'll go to Netflix, and then I would go to Sign In, and then I can type in my username and my password. And then I can go up to the LogMeOnce browser menu here. I can go to this Smart menu, and I can go down to Add App Manually. And when I click that, it's going to give me this box. So it's going to select this username and password I'm using here. It's going to allow me to choose whichever group I want. Now, another way I can do this manually is if I'm going ahead to log in, there's the Remember Me dialog box that will pop up. It's automatically going to open up this dialog box, and here again I can select which group to put it in, and then if I actually had an account for marketing at LogMeOnce.com, as I enter the password, then it would remember it. Now the 5th way you can add an account to your LogMeOnce Password Manager is to once again go to your browser icon, and when you're here you can choose your Smart menu. You can choose to import passwords. And this is going to give me the ability to import my passwords from another browser I've been using, if I would like to do that, or I can import my passwords from a file. For instance, a CSV file or any one of these other password manager files. I can import all of my passwords that way. So those are the different ways you can add an app to your LogMeOnce Password Manager. Thank you for watching.